Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to massively reduce stress instantly, and this will be a super easy tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional video tutorial. There are 3 things that I'm going to tell you to do, and hopefully when you do these 3 things, your stress level will drop nearly instantly. These things are quick, they're easy, everyone basically knows how to do them. It doesn't take practice, it doesn't take learning. You probably already know how to do them, so it's just a matter of incorporating them. I'm going to keep this video short, sweet, and straight to the point. So here are the 3 things. I'll tell you what they are, then I'll tell you how to sort of bring them in and incorporate them together, and hopefully why they will work for you, or why they'll help you out at least, even just reduce that stress level even at least a little bit. But they should really bring that stress level down. But even hopefully at the bare minimum, they'll give you a stress reduction by this much. But hopefully, you know, they're likely to work by this much. Anyways, these are the 3 things. Number 1 is start with pretty deep, calm breaths. Number 2 is clench and release your fists periodically. And number 3 is when thoughts enter your mind, simply kick them out. I'm going to say them one last time, okay? I promise, just for full clarification, then I'll explain why this will hopefully help you out. Starting with number 1. Number 1 is to start with pretty deep, calm breaths. Number 2 is clench and release your fists periodically. And number 3 is when thoughts enter your mind, simply kick them out. And that's it. So we're gonna start with the first one. Number 1 is start with pretty deep, calm breaths. What I mean by that is like not super deep, not like nothing like that. Just pretty deep, calm breaths. Like you want the calming effect. So you want to go a little bit deeper than your average breath, but calm. That's why I said pretty deep, not super deep, pretty deep, calm breaths. Okay. As you're doing that, you're going to incorporate number 2. Number 2 is clench and release your fists periodically. So as you're doing that, just like that. And then as you're doing those things together, you're going to bring in number 3 as needed. Number 3 is when thoughts enter your mind, simply kick them out. Okay? So instead of telling yourself, I'm going to think about nothing, because it's hard to think about nothing, basically you're just going to do that. And then as thoughts enter your mind, well, go on, kick them out. So like as I'm sitting here doing the breathing and the fists, right? Okay? You know, breathing and then the clenching like that. Let's say I look to the side and I see a building and I start thinking about the building. Nope. Not thinking about the building. And I look over here and I see a car. Nope. Not thinking about the car. I think about what I have to do later. Nope. Not thinking about what I have to do later. Just constantly kick them out. And that's how you kind of force yourself to think about nothing. Instead of saying I'm going to think about nothing, you kind of force yourself to think about nothing by the absence of thought. So instead of putting in the thought of nothing in your brain, you are creating an absence of thought, which is, in essence, creating that nothingness in your thought process, okay? And, you know, by doing that, you're going to physically and mentally be able to relax. And when you have your stress levels, you're going to bring them down. You're going to bring upon relaxation. It's almost like, I don't know if I'd call it a meditation, because you're not exactly meditating, but it's almost like a slight calming, right? And by giving yourself that slight physical, mental calming, you're bringing down your stress levels. You're calming yourself down. You're bringing upon a relaxation nature of yourself, and you're just changing your mentality, your physicality, like your physiology. I think that's the word I'm looking for. I'm assuming you're changing that aspect of yourself to be calmer and less stressed. And the thing here is that it should work substantially, and it should work very fast. And there's no learning, there's no warming up. You can literally just do this. So like if you're parked in a parking lot and you got an extra minute, boom, you can incorporate it, right? You know, if you're at work, you know, and like you're at your desk and you got an extra minute, boom, you can incorporate it quietly, right? You're in the bathroom, you can incorporate it. You know, you're going for a walk, you can basically incorporate it. I mean, like, you know, you can try to incorporate as much as you can if you're going for a walk, right? That you can basically incorporate it almost anywhere. You're in the shower, you're done showering, you want to stay in an extra couple minutes, you can incorporate it. You know, you're taking a bath, you can incorporate it. You know, I'm just trying to think, like, you're sitting watching a movie, you can incorporate it. Like, just, you know, the absence of thought. Just kick out the thoughts. Like, you only need to do it for a minute and you can get some of the effects of it. So like it's, you know, even honestly, like if you do it for 15 seconds, you're probably going to get the effects. 10 seconds, you're probably going to start getting the effects like that, right? So, it should work. Hopefully you can incorporate it, and hopefully you can make use of it, and you can be just a calmer overall position. And that's basically it. I really have nothing else to say, nothing else to show you other than I hope that you've enjoyed the video. So other than me hoping that you've enjoyed the video, I've got nothing else for you. And with nothing else, we're going to roll the outro. So without further ado, and I promise I feel like I can blab on at this point, so I'm not going to blab on. Without further ado, I promise I'm ending it. Without further ado, here is the outro for this specific video, and I'm not going to blab on for real, not going to talk anymore. Here is the outro. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.